Hi friends, I'm here to review the Goplus under desk walking pad or treadmill. I got this about a month ago. It has been great. I basically use it in the mornings, just getting some basic stuff done. Because I will say, and what I didn't know before is that, I know for me at least, I can't really focus on getting any work done while I'm walking on it, but it has been a great kind of resolution to making sure I get some exercise in, as in I tend to sit at my desk all day I needed to get a little exercise in without basically or necessarily taking the time to step away from my desk. So this has been great for me. I do have a standard desk, and with that I got a kind of sit to stand desk converter too. I'll review that separately, but let me just show you a couple of the functions. It easily plugs into a wall outlet and you just turn it on at the front here. It has several functions kind of built in already. It'll do kind of a default time limit or a default distance limit or a default calorie burn limit. And those will kind of display differently, but when you click through on the remote, those are kind of some previous settings built into it that you can use, or you can just use it manually like I do. On here, you have your speed, you have the time that you've been using it, and you have calories or distance, and you can kind of interchange between those. And actually I think when I've been walking, it just kind of does it on its own, so that's pretty convenient. It does come with this remote, and so while you're walking, it's a lot easier to kind of get the functions you need to do while you're walking on it. You don't have to bend down and do anything. All you have to do is simply press start. It does a little countdown for you. You can see it moving there. It does only start at a half mile kind of speed, but you can easily just press it up. I can comfortably go about 1.5 and get some kind of basic work done while I'm walking. You can see it's a good walking speed while it's moving there. When you're ready to stop, all I have to do is press this button again, and it slows down, and you're able to hop off. I've only had it again for about a month or so. I haven't needed to lubricate it yet. Mine did come with the lubricant, and it comes with, a user manual for you. If you ever get to a point where you do need to lubricate, it looks like you simply just lift up under the belt and you just lubricate down under there. And as it moves, it kind of lubricates on its own. But it's been great for me. It's super easily tucks away. You can see I have a little space over here when I'm not using it. I just kind of pull it here. I've even tucked it up against the wall back behind here and tucked it away out of sight. So this has been great for me. Thanks, guys.